How to download and install the MSI drivers for the laptop or desktop. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to install and download the MSI drivers, first of all open any of your browser. Now on the search bar, search for MSI drivers. Once you land to the official page, scroll down a bit and you can either directly find your product or we can search through the product line. So first of all, select laptops or desktop. Then select your product category and then the product type and the series. Select according to your preferences and then select the product model. After that, hit the search button and it will give you to the next page. Hereby, you have to select the model. Once you have selected the model, you will land to another page from where you can download the drivers as well as BIOS. Go to driver and then you can select your operating systems. Then after you can select through the graphics, Bluetooth, touchpad and much more. You can select the option according to your need and then click on download. Just below the description, you will also find the installation steps. And just by following that, you are good to go. So that is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.